Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's phrase of the day is, "You left me high and dry." This means that someone abandoned or left another person in a difficult situation without help or support. It is often used when someone was depending on another person, but that person disappeared, quit, or refused to help at an important moment. Here are some example. I'm sorry. Let me back up. I want to explain. High and dry. Those two words together like that originally referred to ships that were stranded on land without water. These days, it means being left alone without the help or resources you expected. This phrase is often used in work, friendships, or team situations where you feel someone has abandoned you or betrayed you. Now for the sentences. We were supposed to do the project together, but you left me high and dry to do all the work alone. My friend promised to help me move, but he never showed up. He left me high and dry. The company shut down without warning and left its employees high and dry with no jobs. So you might hear this in conversations a lot. So listen for it when you're watching a movie, when you're listening to people talking about work or friendships, and like and subscribe. We love your company. Bye now.